Hey guys, if you want to pay in shops, online or in public transport using your iPhone or Apple Watch, adding your Revolut card to Apple Wallet takes less than a minute. Let's begin. So first, we need to use Revolut tab to push your card straight to Apple Wallet with a single tap. So just open Revolut on your iPhone and tap the cards icon in the top right corner. Select the card you want to add. This works for both your physical cards and multi-use virtual cards as well. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button right below your card preview. Select your iPhone or Apple Watch. Agree to the terms and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID to activate instant payments. Next, let me show you how to add your card details manually inside the Apple Wallet app. So just open up Apple Wallet on your phone and then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Select the debit or credit card and tap Continue. Position your Revolut card inside the camera frame, or you can also enter the card details manually if you wish, and provide your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Review the verification prompt and choose Revolut app or SMS to confirm your identity and complete the setup. Also guys, keep in mind that disposable single-use virtual cards cannot be added to Apple Wallet. Make sure that you choose a standard virtual or physical card instead. So that's your setup process. Hopefully this was easy to understand. Enjoy.